I will tell you my midlife superpowers and then you can tell me yours. Number one, forgetting somebody's name 10 seconds after they told me. Oh my God, I've tried every trick in the world to just say it over and over in my head and I am the worst. Buying produce and throwing it away 2 weeks later. Digging through the trash to find the food box that has the instructions on it because I threw it away and I already forgot the instructions. Making plans and then immediately regretting making said plans. Leaving laundry in the dryer until it wrinkles, then turning on the dryer to de-wrinkle it and then forgetting it again. Or the alternate is leaving it in the washing machine until it mildews and it has to be washed twice. And number 6 is I'm incredibly bad at math, but I'm very good at calculating how much sleep I'm going to get if I just fall asleep right this second. If you don't know me, I'm Jill. I'm your Generation Jones midlife BFF, and I love to share midlife musings on the internet. Tell me your superpowers in the comments.